Wake up, girls. Today's the day. We're finally going camping.
Yeah, we're going camping!
Andy's downstairs with your mom.
We can pack our things.
Yeah, there's gnomes everywhere in this house. I even found them in my shower.
What?
Ah, the great outdoors. Can't wait to breathe that fresh air and gaze at the clear night sky.
I bet we see a shooting star.
We're ready. I never seen a star or a planet before.
That's because of the light pollution from the city light. When you're out in the woods, you can see them much better. You'll see.
I've got it. Oh, look, a xylophone. Better take that with me.
Hi, Helas. Can we come camping too?
Yeah, sure. There's plenty of room. You can ride in the camper. Everybody in the car.
Bye, I'll see you soon.
Rats! The car won't start unless someone tells me what the closest planet to the sun is. Go.
Mercury?
Whew, that was a close one. Thanks, kid.
Dad, are there bears in the woods?
Yep.
Dad, are there snakes in the woods?
Yep. Watch out for the spiders, too. Ah, we're here. Smell that fresh air.
Wow, look at the mountains.
I call the top bunk. Fine, I'll take the bottom. Hey, Dad, can we start the campfire?
Sure, you can roast marshmallows. I'm going to play my xylophone.
For once, the neighbors won't complain. I love marshmallows. So have you seen anything else in the sky?
I saw the moon.
You know, there are 8 planets out there to see.
Wish I see them all. Dad, where's the bathroom?
We're in the great outdoors. Go potty in the trees.
I don't want to go fly in the trees. Shh, don't worry. Look what I brought. Bingo, you are a genius. Ah, so relaxing. Maybe we'll see the sky from our bunk beds. I see all the planet, Bingo. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. I wonder what it'll be like to float in space.
Hey, what's so funny up here?
Oh, hi, Dad. We were just looking at planets.
Planets, eh? Mind if I join you?
Sure. Where were we? Oh, yeah. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. I feel something on my face. Ah, it's a fire! I'm so scared I want to go home right now.
That sounds like the end of our trip. It's nice while it lasted.
You want to hear a joke? Why was Pluto kicked out of the solar system's planet club? Because it couldn't plan itself accordingly.
Maybe one day we'll be real astronauts. Thanks for watching New Bear. Every week, subscribe, like, ring the bell. See you in the next episode. Wow, what a suitcase. Oh, it's empty.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it empty?
I don't know. I guess we need to pack something in there.
Okay, what do we pack? Maybe a fireplace? No, too big.
Okay.
So, we'll put that in the kitchen where we can find it. There'll be nothing inside. He'll be surprised. Alright, ready? Wait. There. This is how you close it. And that's how you open it. Everyone, how to play a camper? Does it go like this?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to eat. Bluey. Here. Okay, you could go to that one. Okay. Oh well. They all going to. I'm gonna make Bluey with his dad. Bluey with his dad. Oops. Dad, putting the chairs up. Got to go here. Oh, I guess we'll have to kiss first. kiddos in here, the boy kiddos in here. And the mom is going to do a bingo. Or just sit down with me. Bingo! Hey. But now we're in the park. Hi! Can you just make some food in the kitchen? I changed my mind. We're taking Dad.
Are gonna what?
Make food in the kitchen. Okay, we're here to the kitchen. We fly to the kitchen. Okay, let's open the cabinet. Ooh, plates and some teeth. So let's take a plate. The oven need to open.
To cook.
We put one salad in there. Then it's ready. Let's take it out. Put it on a plate. Close the oven and bring it to the table. Okay. Let's sit here. Let's sit here and roll up. I'm going to sit here. Yum, 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 yum. Beep, 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 beeps. Everyone out of the way. We're going home. This is our new car. This is our new car. Step it out.